Hello and welcome to my channel. Today my name is Henry and I am so happy to be with you today. How has your day been? Mine has been a very good day. Okay, so today I want to say thank you to everybody that has been an active part of my community, especially to the old subscribers who are always there for me. I want to say thank you. You are the reason why I keep doing what I keep doing. We are at 2,156 against 2,150 subscribers that we recorded yesterday, and it's been you all the way. I want to say thank you. And if this is the first time you're getting to hook up with this channel, I want to say please do well to turn on the notification button and click on the subscription button. I want to tell you that this is one of the best places you will ever get to learn about synthetic indices trading. Meanwhile, I want to say thank you for being a part of the community, which I believe you will be. Okay, without much ado, let's go straight to what we have to do today. Today, I want to talk about how to open a trading account with deriv.com. Now, this video is actually a video made for new subscribers, especially to those who do not have an account with Deriv. And I remember when I made the other video and posted it yesterday on my YouTube channel, I said something. I said that between now and October ending, I am going to organize a free class to everybody that wants to learn how to trade synthetic indices. Okay, so jump into the WhatsApp link there and sign up for that class. It's going to be a free 1-week class. Now, the criteria for that class is that you must sign up with my link here, which I'm going to share at the end of the class, and then you must fund your account with minimum $20. So use this video as a guide to open your forex trading account. I'm going to make another video on how to fund the account using the payment agents that I use. That is if you are a Nigerian. But if you're not a Nigerian, maybe you're in another country within Africa or in any part of the world, you can use the funding channel in which you could fund your account with. So let's proceed to how we can open a trading account with deriv.com. All right. So the first thing you need an active email address. I keep stressing this. Without an active email address, you are not in this century here. You need an active email address so that you can get to open account. And then you need to download the MetaTrader 5 app. The MetaTrader 5 app. This is how it looks like. I have it here. You can see the Deriv MetaTrader 5 app over here. This is my own. Okay, so you need to get your own. Okay, and then after you've downloaded the app, it depends on the kind of device you're using. Maybe you're using iOS, laptop, Android, anyone, just get to download it. If you don't know how to download the application, I guess I'll have to make another video on how to go. Okay, in this same video, I'm going to show you how you can download that and then get it installed. All right, so that after you've gotten your active email and then your MetaTrader 5, you click on the link, which is and the subscription link below in this video. So I'm going to click on this link here, and then I'm going to take it to my browser, and then we're going to browse. Okay, so I'm going to paste that, and then okay, so while we wait, okay, so you can see this. I'm going to since this is for new traders who don't have an account, I'm going to come to what we are called create a free demo account. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a free demo account. So I'll do that right away. So I'll create a free demo account. So here is where you'll sign up an email address. Now, for people who have actually had a Deriv account and you want to know how to open 2 more or 3 more other accounts, I'm also going to make a video on that. So stay tuned, but that will come up next week. Okay, so I'm going to input my email address here. Okay, so I'm going to accept the terms and conditions, follow the step-by-step process, and then I'm going to create a free demo account. Okay. So they've asked me to check my email address, which is already here. So I'm going to check it already. You can see that the notification is in that I have been notified by deriv. So I'm gonna go straight and do justice to that. Okay, so they say one more step to create your account. So I'm going to verify the email. Okay, and then this is where it leads me to. Okay, so I'm gonna block this. Okay, so it leads me straight to this. It says select your country and citizenship. So I'm a Nigerian, so I'm just going to go ahead and select Nigeria. All right, so citizenship, I'm a Nigerian. So it depends on where you come from. Then I'm going to click on the next. It says keep your account secured with a password. Now, this password is your login access into your back office. What I mean is your access through your browser. Okay, so I'm going to create a password there, a very strong password. Now, the criteria is that the password must contain at least 8 characters, which includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase alphabets and numbers, and preferably symbols as much as you can. So let's go. Okay, so that's my password. So I don't like saving this. Okay, so you can see it has welcomed me. So I have actually created a new options and multipliers. Now it's telling me welcome to Traders Hub. So you see something like this. Don't be scared. It's still normal. So I click on next and next and next and next and next and next. And then you can see switch accounts. You can switch between real and demo. Okay. So I'm going to do, okay. So all of these are pop-ups. So let me try to create real accounts. Okay, anyone, whether real or demo. So now this, you're in demo accounts now, so you can see options and multipliers, and then you can see CFDs. Now someday I'll make a videos on options and multipliers. However, today our focus is on CFDs. So now we have derived demo. Now this focuses on synthetic indices like your boom, crash, step, volatility, jump, range, break, DEX index, and then basket index. And then the financial demo focuses on currency pair, crypto, stocks, equities. And then this is a swap-free demo account. If you've not watched any video on the swap-free account, there is a video I made and I've posted it. Please, the link to the video is in the subscription link, so you can check it out. Okay, and then the derived X demo. I've made an article on derived X, so I'll post the link for you to read it up, and then I'll make a video sometime maybe next week, make reference to it. Okay, so our focus is for us to create a demo account. So we're going to create 2 demo accounts because we've already created a swap-free demo account. So I'm going to create 2 demo accounts. One will be on derived demo and one will be on derived financial. And then I can as well go ahead to create a real account, which we will do in this video. Okay, so you can say create a deriv MT5 password. Now this password will be a universal password for both your demo account and for your real account. So be careful with the password you use. Make sure you will use a password you will remember. And remember, the same principle occurs. Use a password that has a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and some symbols. Okay, it goes a long way to protect you, especially so that your account cannot be infiltrated. Okay, so now I have created a derived demo account. So you can see here, derived demo. Okay, so I come to open the same thing that happened in my swap-free demo. You click here on this point that says open. Here's what I mean, this one here. All right, so we click on that, and then That is to get our demo access. So you can see Deriv demo, this is your demo login, and it is this demo login that we will take to our MT5 and then log in and then start our demo trade. Remember, this demo account is purely for what? Synthetic indices. Okay, so we'll create financial demo account too, and it's the same thing. The only difference between the demo account and the real account is that in the real account you have to create a fiat currency and then pull through, which is also what we will do in this account. Now, for people who do not know how to get to MT5, after you have you've gotten to the point where you can registered your demo account or maybe your real account. Once you are at this open page, this is where you have your MT5 place where you can download it and then put up your details there. Okay, so I think I'll have to make a video on this, so please stay tuned and then watch. Okay, so I'll just copy this details. I could as well create my financial demo at once. Okay, so I use the same password. Okay, and then I just add account. So let's see. All right, you can see I've created a demo account for what? My Deriv, MT5, and for my financial. So what next am I supposed to do? I'm going to take that password and then going to take it to my MT5 or the one that I already downloaded and then put it up and run it. Okay, so let's go straight and do that now. Okay, so let's create our demo account, Deriv demo account. So I copy this number. Okay, copied. And then remember your password, make sure you don't make a mistake with it. And then I come to my MT5 here. I come to my view, I come to my navigator, and then I look for accounts. This is it. This is where accounts are. And then I just right click and then log into trade accounts. And then this gives me a room to insert the login ID I'd copied. And then this is a room for password. That password. Okay, and then the saver must be a Deriv demo. That is because if you look at, okay, where was that? I think this, if you look at this, this is Deriv demo. Okay, so with that, we'll log in. That's okay, we log in. We can take this out. So yo, that's a welcome. That's a welcome. Once you see this, you come to here, you see your trade, you click, you can see 10,000 USD. So that's how you open your demo account with Deriv, whether it is synthetic indices or financial. So the same thing goes with financial. You just come to open, you copy the details, you take it to your MT5, and then you paste. Okay, now let's go straight to opening a real account. So we come over here, and then we switch the account from demo to real. Okay, now while we wait, remember that I have a special package for all traders, especially to the newbies. The criteria is that you must open your Deriv account with my link and then sign up on my WhatsApp. And then we're going to have a 1-week free training class where we'll take live trades and I'll take you through some of the mentorship programs. At the end of the class, we're going to have a very long conversation. I'm really looking forward to working with you. Okay, so we are there. Okay, so now look at it. Our focus is on CFDs. They say you need a Deriv account to create a CFD account. So let me get a Deriv account. That's what you're going to do. So it leads you to what? A fiat currency. A fiat currency is actually the currency where you will be funding your live accounts with. So you could choose US dollar, euro, pound sterling, Australian dollar, Bitcoin, Theta, anyone. So I prefer the US dollar. So I click on the US dollar index and then I go to next. And then I'll have to choose my document types. Okay, so over here in Nigeria, we have driver's license, NIN slip. So I'm gonna pick that, and then I'm gonna put the number, my NIN number, and from there, I think I'm gonna proceed with. So let me input my NIN number just a second. Okay, haven't filled my NIN number. I go ahead to fill the details. So I'll just fill the details. And then my details, date of birth, and the rest. Now, remember, this is for, Forex is not for anybody that is below the age of 18. So please, while you're filling the accounts, just be careful, all right? So this is for students, and then we proceed. Okay, so phone number, place of birth, I'll put Nigeria. Tax residence, Nigeria. So account opening reason, I'm gonna put income earning. Okay, tax ID number, we'll come to that. Those are personal information that I cannot reveal for now. So let's fill these digits here. Okay, this being the case, so we can proceed. We filled in some of the basic details. Okay, so we go next, then they'll ask us for what? Home address, okay. So we are going to fill our home address using our utility bill. So we're gonna press the same thing, city, state, Akwa Ibom. And then we go straight to next. And then we just click that I'm not politically exposed and I agree to the terms and conditions. And then we click on add account. And then they say your account is ready, fund your account maybe later. So you've gotten your real account. So you can choose to open a derived MT5 account or financial account, and then you follow the same process on how to get it into your MT5. So without much ado, I want to say thank you. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for staying to the end. Thank you for being an active part of this channel. I wanted to stay glued to many other things. If you don't understand synthetic indices and you need a step-by-step process, feel free to contact me. Engage on these videos, make comments, make likes. Let me know your challenges. Let me know the videos you'd like me to make. And if you need coaching and mentorship, I have a 1-month course. I have a 3-month course, which has to do with one-on-one with me on Zoom, on Google Meet. And then we can talk about every other thing. Thank you so much. And remember, if you're a new trader and you just signed up with my link, I want you to know that you have a course with me, a 1 free class with me, where I'm going to teach you synthetic indices. Another criteria is that you must fund that account with a minimum of $20 US. That's because while we are doing the analysis and having the class, we will be trading together. I want to say thank you so much for being a part of this. Don't remember to make success your habit, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, even as I'm looking forward to be as successful as you desire to be as well. Thank you so much. See you at the top.